Hi, in this video, you will learn how to set up your hypervisor's VirtualBox and create virtual networks using the VirtualBox hypervisor. To get started, you'll first need to download the VirtualBox hypervisor. To do this, let's head over to our web browser like so, and let's search for VirtualBox. Then, let's click on the VirtualBox website, which is virtualbox.org, like so. Then, click on Download. And this tutorial actually focuses on using VirtualBox on a Windows environment. Therefore, you'll need to select VirtualBox host, and this will allow you to download the latest platform package for Microsoft Windows. Once you've downloaded this, which I had done previously, it's time to install. So here, I actually have the VirtualBox application. I'm going to copy this onto my desktop like so, and now I'm going to execute it. Notice we get a prompt, and this is actually a warning that is indicating that Oracle VirtualBox needs Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 redistribution package. Without this prerequisite or without this dependency, you will not be able to install the VirtualBox application. So where can I get this? Simply, you can search for it on the internet and download it from the official Microsoft website. To do this, let's head over back to our web browser like so. Let's head over to google.com and just going to drag this across like so. And if I search for Microsoft Visual C redistribution package download like so, simply click on this link that is the Microsoft Learn website. Then let's scroll down just a bit. And here we want to download this version, which is the x64-bit version. Simply click on this and it will allow you to download the package. As you can see, the package is downloaded. Therefore, I'm going to click on OK here to cancel the installation of VirtualBox. Going to click on Finish. Going to head over to my Downloads folder. And here we can see we actually have the redistribution package. I'm going to simply double click on this to begin the installation. Gonna click on agree and click on install. Gonna accept, yes. And great, the installation is completed. But that's the installation of the redistribution package. Let's double click on the VirtualBox platform package. As you can see, we have gotten the installation wizard. Simply click on next and accept all the license and accept or use the default settings. I'm going to click on finish and this should start the VirtualBox interface for me, as you can see. Great. Now that we have VirtualBox Manager installed, the next step is to create our virtual networks. With this video series, I'm referencing the written tutorial that I've created in my Ultimate Kali Linux book. As shown on the screen, this is chapter 2 that shows you the actual lab topology layout. So as you can see, we have the Kali Linux virtual machine that is connected to 3 networks directly. One network is connected to the internet, another one is directly connected to the Pentest network, and the third network is connected to the Red Team Lab network. The thing is, we need to create a Pentest network, the hidden net, and even the Red Team Lab environment. And we can do all of this using VirtualBox, and we can leverage DHCP services within VirtualBox. To do this, it's quite simple. So I'm going to close VirtualBox like so. And I've went ahead and copied and pasted the commands from the book directly in a notepad file. So it will be easy for me to simply copy and paste these commands on a command prompt on my host computer. So to get started, I will simply need to open the command prompt like so. So I'll drag this across here. Gonna drag this lower here. The first thing I need to do is to change my directory to the installation folder of where VirtualBox is actually installed. So as you can see, my present working directory has now been changed by using the cd command. Next, I'm going to copy this first command. So it will create a new network which is called pentestnet. It will set the DHCP server IP as 172.30.1.1. It will start the first usable IP address, which is 172.30.1.20, and it will give it a range up to .50. It will also set a default subnet mask of 255.255.255.0, and it will enable this DHCP service and this pool for me automatically. Once I hit enter, it should take a second or two, and once you get no errors, it means to say the command was executed properly. So now I'm going to create the hidden net network. As you can see, we have changed the name to hidden net. We have a new server IP for the DHCP server. We have a new range of addresses, and the subnet mask remains the same, and we are also turning on this particular server. And last but not least, we have the final network. This network is a Red Team Lab network, again with a different server IP, a different range, together with subnet mask. But most importantly, we have actually used this option, which is called setup6. What this allows us to do is to specify a DNS server. This will be very useful when you dive into the 2 chapters that focuses on identifying and compromising the security vulnerabilities within Active Directory. Go ahead, enter. So at this point, the virtual networks are created. During this video, you have learned how to set up VirtualBox very efficiently and create virtual networks. I hope this video has been informative for you, and I will see you in the next one.